Hey guys, welcome back to Bonsai Crazy. How you doing? Now, I know what you're thinking. What's he doing in that silly hat? Well, this is my favourite hat. Got this for my birthday last year from my favourite film, and you'll never guess what film it is. You won't guess? You won't guess? Crocodile Dundee, of course. Now, I'm here to talk about this today. This is my clump style forest, and it's taken a little bit of a turn for the worse. It was a bit windy and a few of the trees have been knocked over, and plus I need to look at the wire now as well and see whether it's biting in or whether it's fused together yet or not. It's probably not fused together, but we're going to have a look at the wire and see. So let's get on with it. Right guys, so I've just brought you down a bit. As you can see, this tree's fallen over, so I didn't tie it in with anything, so I'm just going to have a little pull out, just a little bit, just try and untie this. And if it's not all fused together, which it hasn't, obviously, I might leave that like that, as it is, and then let that grow, just with a damaged wire, so it's not going to completely bite into it, and it'll still hold it firm. Now, I think that's the best option for it. I could actually unravel this one. And as I can see, that's definitely not all fused together, so I'm just going to leave that one alone as well. Doesn't matter about the wire's not really digging into it that much, so. And that one there I think I'm going to leave as well. So let's turn this round again for you. So as you can see, this one is still all right. The tree's looking good so far, so I'm quite pleased with it. I did lose this top one here. That one did fall off, but I put that in a smaller pot over there and left the wire around that, so I think that one will be fine too. So I just wanted to show you guys this little trick here. Instead of having wire around my Japanese larch, I've put the wire around, and I'm resting the wire on top of here, and I stick a stone on it, and that pulls my larch up, so it's straight, and I won't get no bite marks, or I won't get any bite marks. So there we go guys, there's my field maple clump style forest update. I'm going to leave them as they are, and like I say, I've loosened them all off, and hopefully they'll grow into that and they'll fuse together. I can't wait till springtime next year, because I've got my Ace of Palmatum behind me, and I've got loads of cuttings from it this year, and I've pretty much all of them have survived so far. So if all's well, in springtime next year, I'm going to do a proper clump style with a really nice maple tree. So I'm going to look forward to that one in the springtime next year. But so as for the update, that's it. They're all doing well, and I'll see you next time guys. Cheers, ta-da.